All right, first violin. So for the C major quartet, we're only going to be looking at the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 measures. So it's the first line and then 2 measures of the second line, okay? If you look throughout the piece, it looks challenging to an extent, although if you get over the slurs and the TR, which means trill, and the little small notes that look kind of weird, they're called grace notes. If you just ignore all of those, we have some basic rhythms with eighths, sixteenths, halves, and quarters, everything that all 3 grade levels have been doing. If you are in 7th or 8th grade, this is within your playing ability. If you are 6th grade, it'll push some of you a little bit, but definitely the first 8 measures are within all of our playing ability, and that's what we're going to focus on today. Now, I have my violin at my friend's house, so I have to go grab that. But my cello is here, so I'm going to be playing the cello for you. I'm going to be in thumb position, so the fingerings will still be the same, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and play the first 8 measures so we can hear it together, all right? All right, so not too bad. Don't rush the quarter notes. So what we're going to do is we're going to ignore the slurs, and we're going to do 2 measures at a time. I'm going to walk you through each 2 measures, and then you're going to pause the video, practice it, and then come back and we'll go over the next 2 measures, and then we'll gradually build this up. All right, so the first 2 measures, find your C on G string, that's 3rd finger. Now we're in C major, so when you get to D string, F is low 2, F natural, and then C on A string is low 2, C natural. So just low 2, don't forget that. First 2 measures sound like this. We'll go slow. So if you notice, the first 2 notes is a dotted quarter to an eighth. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and then eighths. 1 and 2 and 3, rest. Okay, so play with me here. So make sure that we're counting the dot. 1, 2, and. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. D, E, E, F, E, D. Make sure that it's 1, 0, 2, 1, 0 on the second measure. All right, so again, it's 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, rest. So go ahead and pause and work on that if you need to. All right, now we're going to work on the next 2 measures, so measures 3 and 4. Same pattern, it starts on open D. Mozart likes to do this with his music. He takes the same pattern and bumps it up a note. So now we're playing on D string. Here we go. Sounds like this first, just listen. Rest. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get rid of the slurs, of course. We're going to take it nice and slow. 0, 1, low 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, rest. Again, all the 2s are low. So take it slow with me. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Rest. All right, again, 2, ready, and. D, E, F, F. So those 4 eighth notes are 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. All right. So pause it and go over that as many times as you need. And then we're going to do the last 4 measures all together because a lot of it's just going down a scale in quarter notes. So it sounds like this. Open A to start. And don't forget the dots under the notes are staccato notes. Okay, so same pattern to start with. Open A, 1, low 2, low 2. Okay, so that that second from last measure in the first line, open A to start, sounds like this. Play it with me. So ready, and. A, B, C, C. Try it again. 2, ready, and. Very good. And then the next 3 measures is just going down the C major scale. Started with low 2 on A, first finger, open A, G on D, low 2, first finger, open D, then C on G. All right, so let's go ahead and have you pause it and work on just that. And then now we're going to try the entire thing nice and slow. C on G to start. Here we go. Ready and rest. Open A now. Now down the C scale, quarter, quarter. Now I made a slight mistake. It doesn't go straight down the scale. It actually repeats a G. Okay, so I made that mistake. I apologize. Starting at the last measure of the first line, C, B, A, G. Then the next measure, measure 7, second line, G, F, E, D, and then C on G. All right, guys, so go ahead and work on that by yourselves, and I'm sure it'll come out good, and we will look at the next bit in our next lesson. All right, guys, stay safe.